Hello everyone, welcome to How Fix It. If your iPhone 13 Pro loudspeaker is not working, producing a buzzing sound, or completely broken, you're in the right place. In this video guide, I'll show you how to replace your loudspeaker and get your device sounding clear again. Before we begin, let's go over the tools you'll need. A screwdriver set, plastic pry tools, tweezers, a suction cup, the screen disassembly tool, and waterproof sealing tape. Links to all tools and parts are in the video description below. For the best results, I advise using a magnetic mat to organize screws and small parts throughout the disassembly process, especially for repairing a device like an iPhone 13 Pro. This will make the reassembly much easier, and you don't have to worry about the screws getting lost. They will all securely adhere to the magnetic mat. So, let's get started. Power off your iPhone. Using the pentalobe screwdriver, remove the two screws located at the bottom of the iPhone. Using a hairdryer or a heat gun, apply heat to the bottom edge of the iPhone for about 1 minute. This softens the adhesive, making it easier to separate the screen. Be cautious not to overheat the phone. Attach a suction cup near the bottom edge, pull up gently, and insert the blade edge into the gap. Apply firm, steady pressure to create a slight gap between the screen and the body. If the screen is cracked, cover it with packing tape to contain any broken glass and make a better grip for the suction cup. Insert a plastic spudger into the gap to begin separating the screen from the adhesive. If the adhesive is stubborn, apply more heat. Carefully slide the plastic spudger around the edges of the iPhone to separate the adhesive seal, taking extra care not to insert the spudger deeply to avoid damaging internal components. Next, heat the top edge of the iPhone. This step is crucial as the adhesive near the front sensors is particularly strong. Gently slide the spudger around the top right corner. Be careful not to insert the spudger more than 3 mm to avoid damaging the sensors. If your screen is cracked, wearing safety glasses is also a good idea to protect your eyes from loose glass. Gently open the iPhone like a book, but don't fully separate the screen yet. Ribbon cables are still connected. Remove the screws securing the battery and display connector covers. Use a plastic spudger to pry the battery and display connectors up from their sockets on the logic board. Remove the screen. Use a Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws securing the loudspeaker to the frame. Carefully slide tweezers or plastic spudger between and separate the Taptic engine and the adhesive-backed strip. Remove the loudspeaker. I have included links to the new loudspeaker for the iPhone 13 Pro in the video description below. Let's install a new loudspeaker and test it. Now that it's all back together, let's test your iPhone to ensure the functioning of the new loudspeaker. The loudspeaker works fine. Let's proceed to restoring water protection and completing the reassembly. To restore the waterproofing of your iPhone, you'll need to apply waterproof sealing tape around the frame. Start by removing any old adhesive from the frame. Use isopropyl alcohol and a cotton swab to remove any remaining smaller bits of adhesive. This is also important for better adhesion of waterproof sealing tape. Carefully align the adhesive sealing tape with the iPhone frame and press it into place with a spudger. Once the tape is in place, grab the small pull tab and peel off the front liner to expose the adhesive. First, connect the display cables and then connect the battery cable. Press the display down around the entire perimeter to secure its position. Fasten the last 2 screws near the charging port to complete the assembly. If you found this guide helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and guides. Visit our website for more tech insights and do-it-yourself guides. Remember, every tech challenge is an opportunity to learn and grow. The repair is complete. You were on How Fix It. Thanks for watching and see you next time.